Hi everyone. So this is part 4 tutorial where we are going to be adhering our, I guess you could say, insert into the cover. We took it out and we're putting it back in. And I'm taking some of the leftover pieces of the lace. And right now I'm just kind of cutting it. I want it to be pretty much straight. So I'm just kind of eyeballing it. And I'm cutting, I guess, maybe a good 2 to 2.5 inches wide. And then a little bit longer than the book because I like the idea of having a little bit of that lace sticking out from the top and the bottom. So I've got it sticking out maybe about a 1/2 inch on the top as well as the bottom. So I'm just going through and cutting it. And then what I do, I fold it in half lengthwise. And then I go ahead and start adding some glue to, I guess, to the bottom layer. Of course, my glue's about empty, so I'm having trouble getting the glue on there. I go through a pretty good bit of glue, as you can see. And so I've got it folded in half and putting down that bottom part, just kind of patting it down to, let it start adhering. And then I'm going to do the same on the other side as well. Okay, so now we're going to take the back side of our insert and we're going to glue it to the top part of the lace. And I'm just kind of pressing down as I'm doing it to get it to stick good to the lace there. And the effect that it has, it's almost kind of an expandable way to adhere your pages back into your cover, which is really neat. So it gives you a little bit of room when you're opening up your cover. By us doing the lace signature, it gives a little extra room because in the end your junk journal might get pretty chunky, and so it kind of works as like an expandable file, so to speak. It just helps it give a little bit more room. I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions at all, feel free to let me know. Thank you so much for watching.